platform has developed a terminal to help institutional investors and hedge funds buy and trade cryptocurrency with ease, all the while delivering transparency and compliance through state-of-the-art technology. Blockchain Terminal is led by a Wall Street veteran who has served as a chief information officer at two of America's biggest asset management firms. Known as BCT for short, the desktop system combines the resources that analysts, portfolio managers, traders and chief compliance officers need to capitalize on investment opportunities. The terminals boast large monitors that provide instant access to critical information, and they're furnished with USB ports so hardware wallets can be accessed. Mobile and tablet versions of the interface are expected to follow, meaning real-time data can be accessed on the move. This comes as interest in cryptocurrency among hedge funds continues to grow at a steady pace. A recent study by Barclay Hedge found 25% of managers are already investing in cryptocurrency or intend to begin doing so in the coming 6 months. Meanwhile, a further 8% are exploring the possibility. Meanwhile, research from Autonomous Next suggests there was an explosion in the number of crypto funds in 2017. Currently, it is estimated up to $5 billion worth of crypto assets are being managed across more than 225 funds. Compliance is a cornerstone in its white paper. BCT says that the 2008 financial crisis and headline-grabbing cases of fraud, when coupled with the high fees that investors are paying for diminishing returns, have transformed attitudes when it comes to transparency, accountability and compliance. The cornerstone of its platform is Compliance Guard technology. Pre-installed on every terminal, BCT says it is designed to exceed the most robust hedge fund industry compliance requirements. The system has been tested through pilot installations at 20 hedge funds. BCT's ledger utilizes two blockchains simultaneously. The first, which is local and private, allows a hedge fund's sensitive information to remain confidential. Meanwhile, all transactions are time-stamped and aggregated on the global blockchain, meaning audits can be conducted on an ad hoc basis remotely and immediately whenever compliance problems emerge. Any accompanying documents and notes are also preserved in such a way that they cannot be tampered with. There's an app for that. BCT says it has a living, breathing community of developers who have created an array of third-party applications for use on terminals, helping to speed up the adoption of its technology across the industry. Exchange integrations will allow the BCT to display data on the vast majority of approximately 1,400 cryptocurrencies, all in a compliance-vetted environment, to ensure that security requirements are satisfied and quality is consistent. All apps will be approved by BCT before they are released to the community as a whole. Based in the Cayman Islands, BCT will be advancing the terminal to its full potential. Everything is brought together by the BCT token, and two types coexist within the ecosystem. As well as the native BCT token, which is used to power the ledger, an ERC-20 compliant token allows users to subscribe to applications and access services. The rollout began. BCT is hoping that 200 blockchain terminals will be delivered to hedge funds and other financial institutions by April 2018. The BCT public presale is ongoing, following a successful private presale and airdrop, the company said. By the third quarter of 2018, BCT is aiming to launch a retail version of its terminal that will fuel the adoption of its technology. And, in the following quarter, it plans to integrate third-party apps into its ecosystem, increasing the possibilities of the platform. Its team members are traveling the world, attending crypto and fintech events to help spread the word. With stops in Germany, South Korea, Israel and Malaysia already completed, BCT representatives are now planning to attend conferences in New York and California come April. Disclaimer. Cointelegraph does not endorse any content or products on this page. While we aim at providing you all important information that we could obtain, readers should do their own research before taking any actions related to the company and carry full responsibility for their decisions, nor this article can be considered as an investment advice.